This is one of my favorite plants in the neighborhood. It's a 4 o'clock that's been here for a really long time, and it's just growing by an alleyway up against a telephone pole. And 4 o'clocks are called that because they only bloom in the afternoon, so you can see all the buds are closed right now. At least I should say they only open up in the afternoon. But this is in late August here in Zone 7, and I wanted to show you how to collect seeds from these. So here is a spent bloom that's turned into a seed. Oh, whoops, sorry. And it's got these little black seeds here. Not that little. They're really easy to harvest. I think probably gloves are recommended from what I've read about these, but anyway, I don't do that. I just wash my hands later. Here's another one. So I've collected seeds from this plant every year, and I plant them in my own garden in containers, and they do really well. They take almost no care, and they do well with heat and drought, and they bloom beautifully. These particular ones bloom true to color, although I've heard that you can get variegated ones that have lots of different colors on the same plant. Or different colors, maybe even in the same bloom, I want to say. That's what variegated would mean. But anyway, it's a beautiful plant. If you have a chance to grow 4 o'clocks, I recommend it. I haven't found them to be invasive and coming up in other parts of my yard, even though the seeds do so well. So maybe it's because they're so heavy, they just stay close to the plant. Thanks for watching.